Hello, Jeremy Irons here. I just wanted to demonstrate one of the first milestones I've reached here. So originally I started with Unreal and like the standalone downloadable like client, the regular client you get through Unreal Launcher, and I wanted to prove that I was able to set up uh, like a standalone server that could be hosted in the cloud and able to handle traffic from multiple clients instead of having like a server application that was also like a visual client, right? Like with the game world loaded into it. So I had to build Unreal Engine from source, which took several hours and then another hour to compile the shaders. But I think I finally got this working. So let's give it a whirl here. So I have two builds that I've output. There's a server and a client. Um, we can go to the server here and let's just run this from a command prompt. And launch our server application. This is just running locally, and right now the client is only set up to connect to local anyways, but no big deal. We'll go to our client directory, third person client.exe, and we'll run this windowed so we can hopefully get a few of them going. So there's our first client, and let's get them logged in. So this is just like a loader world. It's kind of like a main menu screen. Yep, we see the client responded, and we're in this simple kind of default third-person shooter sort of world that Unreal provides. I didn't create this, it's just default level. All right, let's go back and launch another client. So same thing, and there he is, and you can see it seems to be responding. It's pretty responsive in terms of replicating to both the clients, right? Let's do one more just for sport. I'm gonna launch one more. Running a little slower now. My machine's a few years old. I'm looking to maybe upgrade as a part of this effort. All right, let's do one more. Client responded, yep, and there's my two friends. You can see they're both responding to motion from my currently active client. So that's beautiful. I'm not really planning to use the source compiled Unreal Engine editor, and I don't really have any purpose to build standalone client and server applications regularly. I'm just going to use sort of the main Unreal editor. But I just wanted to prove this as a concept and to eventually be able to host this and maybe, as I make progress, share some of these clients with some friends, let them connect and mess around and just see how it's working. So cool. That's all I got. Yeah, thanks so much for watching and wish me luck.